Multiply 6,993 times 52, a 4-digit times a 2-digit. What we're going to do is look at our 2-digit number and take our number in the ones place value and multiply it from the right to the left, one at a time, knowing that we're probably going to have to carry over a bunch of times, especially with those nines living there. So 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 9 is 18. Write out an 8, carry the 1. 2 times 9 is 18. 18 plus 1 is 19. Write out a 9, carry over a 1. 2 times 6 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. Write out your 13. We're done with that row. Now, get rid of the ones because we don't want to accidentally reuse them. And we're going to do the same thing with a number in the tens place value. Before we get started, put a 0 in your ones place value. Then we begin going right to left, remembering that we're probably going to have to carry over. 5 times 3 is 15. Write out a 5, carry over the 1. 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus 1 is 46. Write out a 6, carry over a 4. 5 times 9 is 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. Write out a 9, carry over a 4. 3 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 4 is 34. Since we're done, write out all of 34. Now we add these two numbers together. 6 plus 0 is 6. 8 plus 5 is 13. Write out a 3, carry the 1. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So write out your 6, carry over the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. Write out a 3, carry over a 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. And then nothing plus 3 is 3. Go from the right, count 1, 2, 3 commas, and we have a weird number, 363,636. Lots of 3s, lots of 6s. Kind of crazy, but that's our answer.